the use of this scanner class and what is this scanner class? The very first point which you should be remembering is scanner class is present in Java dot is present in JAVA Java dot util package Java dot util package. This is the very first point which you need to remember. So whenever we are using this scanner class in our program, 100% we need to import this package. If you are not importing, you will be getting an error. As simple as this. Okay. Now let me try to have a small method, void method one. And here just let me try to go with like a variable. I'm just trying to take a variable int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, and int c equal to a plus b. Just a simple addition program, very simple addition program. System.out.println, and here just let me try to go with like c value plus c like that. Okay, let me go to my main method, and now inside my main method, okay, new class A. I want to have a reference here, please. New class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. All right. Now simply AOBJ dot method one. As simple as this. I'm just trying to call that method. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now just let me try to show view console. Oh, let me get my console here. Here, yes, this is better. Okay, now if I execute my program, and yeah, I mean, you pretty much damn sure what is our expected output, C value 30. Now, my question is, actually my requirement is, every time here A value is 10 and every time B value is 20. Always A value is 10 and B value is 20. I don't want that. I want to ask the user to give the input, and whatever the input which is given by the user, basing on that input, I want to perform some actions. As simple as this. Guys, my concept is very simple here. I want to take the input runtime from the user. That's it, not more than that. Not like a static input. No, always A value is 10 and always B value is 20. No, I don't want like that. I want to ask the user to enter a data. Sorry. And whatever the data which is entered by the user, basing on the data, I just want to perform the action. If that is my requirement, we need to use scanner class. In scanner class, there are some methods are present. For example, one of the method is next int method. Lot of methods are there, like next int method, next byte method, next long method, like that. Lot of methods are there. Next method, next line method, like that. Lot of methods are there. So anyways, as of now, let us just try to have an idea about this next int method. The very first point which you need to remember here is next int method is present in which class? Scanner class. Guys, are you understanding me? Next int method is present in which class? Scanner class. What is the return type of next int method? Int data. Return type of next int method is int. What next int method will do? Next int method will accept integer data from the keyboard. Once again, I am saying you, next int method will accept integer data from the keyboard and it is going to return exactly the same data. I'll show you. I'll show you. So before calling this next int method, before using this next int method, first what we need to do in order to call this next int method, in order to call this next int method, what we need, just tell me what we need. Okay, guys, yes, that is correct. Let me ask you a small question. How to call a method present in a class? Answer, answer. Creating its class object. Yes or no? Once again, guys, please don't forget the basics. Once again, I'm requesting you, please don't forget the basics. Once again, my question is how to call a method present in a class. We can call a method present in a class with the help of its respective class object. So if I want to call this next int method, what I need? Class object. Which class? Scanner class. So what is my first step? If I want to call this next int method, what I should do? Create an object for, yes or no? Okay, just let me come here. Okay, and I'm just trying to create an object for scanner class. Now you know how to create an object, guys. Once again, please, again I'm requesting you, don't forget the basics, just follow the basics. Okay, now my requirement is, I want to create an object for scanner class. Why I want to create an object for scanner class? I want to call next int method. Why you want to call next int method? Why? Because next int method will accept the data which is given from the keyboard and it is going to return the same data. Okay, so on an average, you want to call next int method. Yes. Where is this next int method present? Answer, scanner class. So if I want to call next int method, what I need? Object. I mean, I need an object. Which object? Class object. Which class? Scanner class object. Am I clear with this? Now you know how to create an object. If we want to create an object, first what we need to write? Perfect. After that, what we should do? Initialize. How? With the help of a constructor. And constructor name will be same name as which class object you want to create. So come on. New SCANNER, scanner, like this, just equal to SC belongs to scanner class. And scanner class is present in which package? Scanner class is present in which package? Java.util package. So whenever you are trying to create an object of a class which is not present in your package, what we need to do? We need to import. I'm importing. Okay. Sir, still we are getting an error. Yes, of course. Why? Because in scanner class, you are having a parameterized constructor which accepts input stream as a parameter. Input stream. Sir, what do you mean by input stream? Input stream means you will be trying to give the data from the keyboard, right? Yes or no? That input will be accepted by the Java program due to this scanner class. So what I'll be doing, I'll just try to write S Y S T E M dot in. System.in. Guys, this is a very popular interview point of view question. Question is very simple. Why we will be using system.in in scanner constructor? Guys, come on here. This is a constructor. Yes or no? why we are using system.in. Okay, guys, in means input stream. In means input stream. Means what do you mean by input? Okay, guys, in our Java, we are having a concept known as IO streams. Input, output, operations. Sir, what is a stream? Guys, normal dictionary meaning of a stream means continuous, uninterrupted flow. For example, rivers. Rivers will be going in stream. Hey, yes or no, here? Water will be flowing through stream. Continuous, uninterrupted flow. Whenever you are trying to pass the data into a program or write the data into a file, the data will be transferred in the form of streams. In Java, we'll be having four types of streams will be there. Byte streams, character streams, data streams, object streams, and I mean two separate streams are also there. Buffered byte streams and buffered character streams. Anyways, that whenever we are speaking about IO streams, we'll be trying to cover at that particular point. But right now, sir, what is this in? In means input stream. It is a final static variable which is present in system class. Okay, you know that we can call a static variables directly with the help of its class name. What is the use of this variable? Guys, this variable accepts the input from the keyboard. Am I clear with this? This variable in, that is input stream, accepts the input which we are giving from the keyboard. If you are not giving that in, you will be getting an error. Why? Because the main use of scanner class is it is used to accept the input from the keyboard. Am I clear with this? Right. Now, first, okay, guys, please, once again. Now, okay, this is my previous program. Right now, what I want to do, I don't want to give 10 and 20 like static data. Static data means not like static variable. Constant data. Hey, yes or no? Yeah? I don't want like this. I want dynamic data. Okay. If that is your requirement, which class we need to use? Scanner class. In scanner class, lot of methods are there. To be precise, which method we need to use? Next int method. Next int method is present in scanner class. What is the return type of next int method? Int. So in order to call next int method, first we need to create an object. Am I right or wrong? Which object you need to create? Scanner class. You know how to create an object. Tell me. You know, SCNNER scanner. Okay. And here equal to SC belongs to SCNNER scanner class. You will be getting an error. Why? Because scanner class is present in which package? Answer. Java.util package. Let us just try to import. Okay. Now here, this is a parameterizer constructor which accepts. Come on. SYSTM system.in. In means input stream. It is a final static variable which is present in system class. System is a Java predefined class. Okay. Now, let me do one thing. I'll be asking the user system.out.println, please PLEAC, please enter the first number, and here sc.next int, and then again I'll try to write system.out.println ent here, please enter second number, and here I'm trying to write sc dot next int like this. That's it. Now, guys, it is always good programming practice to close the connection which you have created with your Java program. Scanner class will be creating a connection from the Java program to the keyboard. Once our work is completed, it is always good programming practice to close that particular connection. If you're, sir, what happens if I'm not closing? See, if you're not closing in our program, nothing will happen. Like you will be getting your output. But if you are having a lengthy code, there will be there will be a possibility of memory leakages in simple security problem. In simple security problem, it is always good programming practice to close the resource. As simple as it is. Close the connection. Okay, now let us see the output. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, guys, my question is my program execution completed or not? How do you know? Did you see that red color dot? Yes or no? This red color dot mentions, like informs you the program is not completed. Still the program is running. Why the program is running here? Guys, if you observe, my cursor is waiting here. Why the cursor is waiting? Why? Because you are using next int method. What next int method will do? Next int method will accept integer data from the user. Sir, I'll try to give, sorry, I'll try to give Java. What happens? What happens? You'll be getting an exception. You will be getting an exception. Could you please read the name of the exception? Input mismatch exception. What is the input we are supposed to give? What is the input we are giving? Both are mismatching. Next int method will accept which data? Next int method will accept which data? Int data. As next int method will accept int data, instead of giving int data, we are giving string. Obviously, input is mismatching. That is the exception. Am I clear with this? Okay. Once again, let me just try to execute once again. Now, right click, run as Java application. Okay. And now I'm trying to give 99. Let me do a little bit more clear. Here, system.out.println a value plus a, and here also system.out.println b value plus b, like this. Let's go for one more time. Right click, run as Java application. Please enter the first number. I'm giving 99 and I did not press enter button, by the way. Up to I did not press enter button. If I press enter button, what happens? This input will be accepted by the come on. This input will be accepted by the next int method. What is the return type of next int method? Int. So it is going to return that 99 into a. Now what is a value? Exactly, that will be printed here. Our next statement, immediately if I press enter, what happens? A value 99, and this statement also will be printed. Please enter second number and my cursor will be waiting. Am I right or wrong? Let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, enter. A value 99, and please enter the second number. Still my cursor is waiting there. Okay, I give 1. If I give 1, if I press enter, that 1 will be accepted by that next int method, and it is going to return the same value into b. And what will be the b value? 1. B value will be 1. I mean, b value 1 will be printed, and immediately the next statement, system.out.println, c value 100 will be printed. Am I right or wrong? Let's check it. 3, 2, 1, enter. C value 100. As simple as this. Guys, this next int method, wherever you need a number at that place, you can use this next int method. Wherever you need a number at that place, you can use next int method. Sir, okay. What about string? I want to accept string. Of course, you can do that. Guys, now please check these methods. Take a minute time and just observe these method names and their descriptions. Please read them slowly. Just read, no need to write. No need to write. Just read. After reading this, I'm going to ask you a question. Okay, now tell me, which method is used to accept float data, long data, short data, char data? No. Did you observe? Is there any method which accepts char data? There is no method which accepts char data. Sir, then how to accept character data from the user? Wait. No, wait. Whenever we're discussing about string handling, at that time, I'll let you know how to accept char data from the user. Could you please tell me what is the difference between next method and next line method? Next method will accept only one word, single word. Next line method will accept a complete line. Means whenever the cursor is coming to the next line, new line. Once again, I'm saying you, next line method will accept whenever the cursor is coming to the new line, that new line will be accepted by this next line method. And that new line should be having the data. I'll show you. I'll let you know. No issues. Okay. Now please tell me, what is the return type of next byte? Return type of next byte. Return type of next short. Next int. Next. I'm sorry. String. Return type of next method is string. Return type of next line is also string. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now just let me try to get it back. And now here, let us. Okay, guys, I'll be having a method void eligibility, eligibility. Now in this method, what I want to do, I want to ask the user to enter a name and his age, and I want to check whether he is eligible for vote or not. As simple as this. Do you understand my requirement? Okay, all right. So first, what I need to do? Create an object for scanner class. Sir, already an object is present here. Can we use the same object here? Yes, sir. Respond. Why? This This is actually a local variable. Yes or no, guys? I'll do one thing. Okay. Instead of here, I'll try to create this object at class level. Now it will be like a instance variable, and you know that I can access this anywhere in my program. Okay. I mean, instead of creating multiple objects, I think this would be better. Okay. Now here, system.out.println, I'm asking the user, what is your name? Name. What's your name? Okay. So let me think that just one word, not more than that, just one word. Now tell me. Come on, tell me. SC, one word, tell me. SC dot next one word. One word. I'm asking only one word. I'm not speaking about multiple words. One word. Next method. Yes or no? Okay. What is the return type? String name, name equal to like this. Can write like that? Okay. And now I'm asking system.out.println. What WHAT? What is your age? What is your age? Now please tell me. Tell me the code. You just tell me the code. SC dot next int equal to, come on, equal to int age equal to like this. Okay. Now please help me with the code. Please help me with the code. I want to check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. Come on. If age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, system.out.println. System.out.println. Just I'm trying to go with like name plus URELIGELIGIBLE. You are eligible to vote. You're eligible to vote. Okay. Else. Again, come on. System.out.println. Hang on. Name plus you are ELIGIBLE eligible to vote after you tell me the code. After plus, tell me the calculation. 18 minus age plus YEARS. Yes. Okay. Let us just try to execute. Okay. This is method one. I don't want to call method one. Directly I'll be trying to call AOBJ dot eligibility. Okay. Now right click, run as Java application. Okay. So what's your name? I'm just trying to enter my name as Kishan, KISHAN. Kishan. And what's your age? Just let me try to go like 35. If I press enter, what happens? Kishan, you are eligible to vote. Okay, that is great. Just let me try to, okay, right click, run as Java application. What's your name? Tell me your name. Okay, just let me try to go with like SUJATHA. Just some name. And okay, what's your age? I'm just trying to enter age as 16. 16. Let me just check. Let me check. Let me press enter button. 3, 2, 1, enter. So Sujata, you are eligible to vote after 2 years. I hope you're understanding the condition which I have given like that. Is it clear, guys? As simple as it is. Okay. Now I have it out. What? Can I use this for the parameters also? Parameter. Pawan Kalyan. Okay. Can I use this as a parameter also? Let us check. Guys, please listen. Okay. So I'll just try to go with like void Let me go with like method 2, method 2, or else just let me go with like vehicle, vehicle. And here I'm just trying to go with int tyres, types, number of types, number of types. Okay. Now I'll be using switch case. Okay. Okay. System dot out dot println not required. Directly I'll try to go with the number of types. Just switch switch and tyres types. Okay. And case 2, case 2. Okay. System dot out dot println, it is a light motor, motor vehicle, light motor vehicle. I'm not assuming cycles. Okay. Don't get me logical. I'm just saying like I'm just considering scooters or else bikes, cars and buses. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. It's a light motor vehicle. Okay. And then brake. Ah, case 4. Case 4. System dot out dot println. It is a car. Let us go like that. As simple as it's a car. Okay. And after that, BREAK, brake. And just one more case. How many tires will bus will have? 6 tires. Yes, 6 tires. Okay, 6. And system dot out dot println. I'm just trying to go with it is a heavy vehicle. It is a HEAVI, heavy VH vehicle like this. That's it, not more than that. And of course, brake and any other input, DFL default case, that is invalid data. SYSO, invalid input. INVLD, invalid. INPUT, invalid input. Any other data is a invalid input. Okay. So guys, do you think that is it like required to write break statement here? Respond. Not required. Okay, just let me try to call my, let me just try to call my method, vehicle method. Okay, AOBJ, hang on, just AOBJ dot VEHICL, vehicle. If I'm writing like that, am I going to get an error or not? No, 100% I'll be getting an error. Why? Why I'll be getting an error? Parameterized method. Okay, what I need to do? I need to pass the parameter. Okay, here I want to give 2. Okay, if I give 2, obviously it's a light motor vehicle will be printed. Just let me try to get it like this. Right click, run as Java application. Yes, we'll be getting our output like this. It's a light motor vehicle. Okay, now I don't want to give 2 like this. Instead, I want to ask the user system.out.println how many vehicles, sorry, how many tires your vehicle is having. Vehicle is having. I'm just trying to ask the user. Okay, and user will be entering some data. That data, I want to keep it here. Are you understanding me? Please respond. Who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Please down. Please down. Uh, you. Yes. Yeah. Girl. Tell me. Louder. Tell me, tell me. SC dot. Hang on. SC dot. Next. Next int like this. Next int like this. That's it. Anything else? Equal to. Let me go with like int TYRES tires. Is it okay? Respond. Respond. Anyone is saying no? Anyone is saying no? Anyone is saying no? Last chance. What? I'm sorry? Parenthesis. Where? I'm sorry? AOBJ dot vehicle. Oh, okay. I'll not. Now satisfied? Now tell me. Now tell me. Can I write like that? Yes or no? Sir, why you are asking that much doubtfully? Okay. Let me remove this. 3, 2, 1. We will be getting an error. We will be getting an error. We will be getting an error. As simple as this. Why? So, please, once again, instance variable can't be accessed in a static method directly. Instance variable can't be accessed in a static method directly. How to access an instance variable? With the help of its respective class object. So, AOBJ dot SC dot next int, like that. For example, instead of writing this directly, I'll try to call AOBJ dot vehicle, AOBJ dot vehicle, and here AOBJ dot SC dot next int, like this. With the help of my class object, I'm trying to access my scanner class. Guys, this is the instance variable here. Are you understanding me? No. For example, int x equal to 10. Tell me, is this an instance variable or not? Hey, yes or no? Exactly. Here we are having 10. Here we are having an object. That's it. Not more than that. Not at all. Okay. For example, integer ival equal to new integer, and here just let me try to go with like 50. Now, is this the instance variable or not? Guys, come on. Exactly. This is the instance variable. This is also an instance variable. Now, whenever you are speaking about an instance variable, we cannot access a, guys, is this a non-static variable or static variable? Answer. Instance variable or non-static variable. I already said this, all are same. Whenever we are trying to access a non-static variable inside a static method, we need to do that with the help of its respective class object. We have covered this concept whenever we are dealing with static keyword. Static keyword. Where is the static keyword? Is this? No. Yeah. Please read the third point here. Third point. We can access a non-static variable inside a static method, but we already covered this. We already know that exactly the same point which we are using here. In a class of 200 to 300 students, I got the correct answer from one student. This is what makes the difference in the interview room. all questions in a Java interview are exactly same. That's what I'm trying to say. What will make a difference? Who is giving the right answers at right time will make a difference. You will be able to do that only if you are revising. I'm 100% sure that you know this concept. You know it, but you're unable to get it right moment at right time. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay. Anyways, still the time is there. No need to worry. No need to worry. So please revise, revise, revise. Okay. Okay. Now here, okay, AOBJ with help of the class object, I am trying to access my variable SC. And yes, with the help of that variable, again, I am trying to access my next int method. Okay. Let me just try to execute, right click, run as Java application. And here, yeah, how many tires your vehicle is having? I'll be saying 4. If I give 4, what happens? This 4 will be acting as a parameter for this vehicle method. Hey, yes or no here? Instead of passing it into a variable, directly I'm giving here. That's it, not more than that. And now if I press enter button, sorry, not here. If I press enter button here, it is a car. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Is this clear? So here, okay, Jayesh, you're asking me, sir, SC is a object reference. Of course, it is a object reference. I'm not saying no for that, but it is a instance variable. It's a variable. Of course, it's an object reference. For example, if I'm writing like that int a equal to 10, okay, you will be saying, sir, this is a variable. Yes, this is a variable. What is the value of this variable? 10. What is the value of this reference? It's a object. The reference of that, I mean, the value of that particular reference is object. Are you understanding me here, guys? This is 10. It is the object. A is pointing towards 10. SC is pointing towards an object. That's it. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Is this clear? All right. All right. That is good. That is great. That is great. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, for example, just one last method. One last method. Okay. Now, void DETAILS details. Let me go with like EMP details. I'm asking the employee to enter his details. Okay. Now, system.out.println name. Just let me try to write like this name. Okay. Let us go with like new, string name equal to sc dot next line. I'm using next line. Okay. Now, after that, I'm asking the employee EMP ID. EMP ID. Just like that. EMP ID. Okay. Let me go with like int ID equal to sc dot next int. Okay. Now, let me go with like SYSO EMP department. EMP department. Okay. And now string DEPT equal to SC dot next. I mean department, guys. I'll be using next one word. Okay. And now finally for one last thing, SYSO EMP ADDRESS address. EMP address. All right. String string address 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 equal to sc dot next line method. Okay, next line method. Now I just want to print the details. SYSO details details. Just a small line. I'll do one thing. Just a small line. And now SYSO here EMP name. What is that? EMP P name plus name. And now SYSO EMP ID EMP ID. Okay. Plus ID plus ID. Just like that, I want to go with EMP DEPT, and here this is DEPT, and finally EMP address, and here I am trying to give address as simple as this. Okay. Now, let me just try to call this method emp details. Okay, system.out.println, please enter the details. Please enter the DTAILS details. Okay, please enter the details. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now let me execute AOBJ dot details, emp details. I'm just trying to call my method. Okay. Just let me try to close all my previous consoles and right click run as Java application. Okay. Please enter the details. Name KISHN. I'm entering the name as Kishan. Okay. Let me just try to enter my full name like this. I'm using this next line method. Okay. Now after that, EMP ID 101. After that, EMP department. Okay, I am trying to enter my department as Java. If I press enter, guys, this is important. This is important. If I press enter, what should be happening? Whatever the data which I have given should be accepted by the next method, and it will be stored inside DEPT. Yes or no? It should be stored inside DEPT and EMP address, and the cursor should wait. Yes or no? Okay, 3, 2, 1, enter. Is my cursor waiting for the input? Is my cursor waited? No, the cursor did not waited. Are you understanding the topic here? Directly, I did not give any input but EMP address is taken. How this is happening? All right, guys. Next line method will accept new line. Whenever the cursor is coming to the new line, it will be accepted by the next line method. Please listen. Next line, listen guys. Next line method will accept a new line. Means here system.out.println means after printing this data, EMP address, is your cursor coming to the next line? System.out.println. Yes or no? After printing this data, is your cursor coming to the next line? New line. That new line is accepted by this next line method. You don't know that you are already providing the input. You just don't know that. So, in order to overcome this kind of problem, what we will be doing, I'll try to write one more next line method like this. Now, what happens? Please observe. Right click, run as Java application. Please enter the name. Okay, PASINA and EMPID 101, EMP department Java. If I press enter, this Java will be accepted by this DEPT. EMP address will be printed in the console, and the cursor will be coming to the next line. That new line will be accepted by this next line method. It will be taken by this next line method, and this method will be waiting for my data. Please observe. 3, 2, 1, enter. Now is my cursor waiting? Come on, guys, respond. Now here I'm trying to give my address as just let me try to go with like MEHDIPAT Medivatnam and HYDERABAD Hyderabad. Just like that, not more than that. Now, if I press enter, this data will be accepted by this next line method. Sir, what is the use of this next line method? Tell me, what is the use of this next line method? It will accept a new line. Please check this. Now, I will be getting my output like this. Complete output. Once again, please concentrate correctly. I will not write this next line method. I will not write this next line method. First, you should be understanding what is the use of next line method. What next line method will accept? What next line method will accept? It will accept a new line. Next line. New line. Am I clear with this? Guys, please respond. Now, in this particular program, let me just try to execute, right click and as Java application. Okay. And here I'm just trying to write Kishan BASINA. Okay. EMPID 101, EMPD department Java. If I press enter, what happens? This Java will be accepted by the DEPT and EMP address will be printed or not. And the cursor will be coming to the next line. Online students, just a okay. Now, whenever the cursor is coming to the next line, immediately that next line method will be accepted by this new line. I mean, that new line will be accepted by this next line. So the cursor will not be waiting for you to give the input. See, here you have got an empty input. In order to overcome this, what we will be writing? We will be writing one more next line method, like a duplicate next line method, like a dummy next line method, which accepts this new line. And this next line method will accept our data. Right click, run as Java application. And now here, let me just try to go with like BASINA, EMPID 101, EMP department Java and EMP address. Just let me try to go with like HYD. I'll be getting my output like this. Now the biggest question is, sir, why we did not got here? Why we did not got here? Okay, up to here we understand, but what about here? Whenever you are using scanner class for the first time, nothing will happen. No need to worry. If you are using that method, next line method for the first time, after that, you will be having this trouble. Why? Because whenever you are using this next line method for the first time, the cursor will be in the starting only. No problem. But after that, that's not going to work. I want you to kindly please do remember this point. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now, please have this program for me. Please go ahead. Be fast. Use shortcuts. Use shortcuts. Be fast. Please be fast. Use shortcuts. Write the code. Write the code. Use shortcuts. I want to show you some amazing projects. Be fast. Online students, first write the program. First write the program. You are not writing the program. First write the program. Right? What you are doing? We can use that, Jesh. We can use that. No problem. But if you are using like that, you will never understand this problem, right? Be fast. Be fast. Whenever you are writing, please try to analyze and write. Like, try to imagine if you are using some more task, not exactly the same program. According to your point of view, if you are using any other, how to use that? Just like that. Don't blindly copy paste. Just try to analyze the program. Method one complete for everyone, I guess. Right, right. Not completed? Please, please. Is method to complete it? Up to line number 50 complete for everyone? How many are writing? Please raise. Please raise. Please carry on. Carry on. Carry on. Please carry on. Please carry on. You want me to scroll down? Enough? Please. Please. Use shortcuts. So I already said this, guys, in yesterday's class only. All the cases, including break statement and default case, are optional, not mandatory. According to your programming requirements, if you want to write, we can write. Kindly please do remember that. I hope up to line number 54 complete for everyone. Yes or no? Okay, carry on. In scanner class, you will be having a method to accept all the data types except char, except char. So if you want to accept a char data type from the user, how to do that? We will be discussing that whenever we are dealing with string handling. Kindly please wait for that. Kindly please wait for that. Right. Once again, I'm saying you guys, next line method will accept a new line, a new line. So if we are not writing this next line method, whenever the cursor is coming after printing this emp address, whenever the cursor is coming to the next line, that next line method will be accepted by this next line method and it will not wait for our input. So we will write a dummy next line method which accepts this new line, and this line method will act like this next line method will accept the data which we are giving. As simple as this. Javed, please make sure you're having a proper internet connection, buddy. This is not like a one-to-one class. You already know that. Please, if you're not having a trouble like proper internet connection, feel free to come to offline. I always advise. Complete? Okay, yesterday I told you we'll be discussing about recession, but not today. Later, one fine day we'll be trying to discuss that. Not today. Wait for it. So once again, I'm just scrolling this program right from the top. If anyone is missing, you can check the lines, please. All right. Okay. Now, guys, I have a small question. Please, please. Small question. What is the difference between even, odd, and prime numbers? Who wants to answer? Shall I ask? Down, down. Shall I ask? Shall I point and ask? Discuss, discuss. Discuss. Come on, guys. Seriously? I'll ask now. Discuss. What are even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers? Okay. Now see how you are. It's okay. No problem. Not all trouble. What are even numbers? Divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2, even numbers. What are odd numbers? Not divisible by 2. What are prime numbers? Divisible by 1 and itself. 3, 7, 11, like that. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now the task is, guys, please listen. The task is, please ask the user, like you should be having a method like that. You should be having a method like that. And please ask the user to enter his choice. Let me go with like CHOISE, choice. No, let me go with like operation only. OPERAT, operation only. Please ask the user to enter his choice. If he enters prime, then ask the user to enter first number and second number. He will be entering some numbers 1 and 10. You need to print all the prime numbers between 1 to 10. If he is entered odd, you need to print all the odd numbers between 1 to 10. If he is entering even, same. Could you please do that for me? Yes or no? You can use any logic. It's your wish. You can use any logic. Please make sure to use a default case also. Default case. If the data is invalid, try to give like invalid input. As simple as this. This is the task which I'm trying to give to you. Is it okay, guys? Please respond. Okay. Now, you should be having a method exactly like this. Exactly like this. For example, let me go to my main method. Now, inside the main method, new class A, okay, equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. And if I want to use a scanner class, new SCN here, new scanner, and here SYSTM system.in equal to SC belongs to scanner class. Okay, I'll be importing. And can I use SC dot next int like this? Respond. Why? If I make this as static, yes or no? We can access a static variable inside a static method. You already know that. So that your wish. Either you will be using this as an instance variable. If it is an instance variable, then what we need to do? AOBJ dot SC dot next int. If it is a static variable, with a static variable, directly use that variable reference. As simple as this. Okay. So your wish. Which one you will use? Your wish. This is a task which I want you to do that. Okay. All right. Now, as I told you, I want to show you some projects which are created by my students. Okay. First, let me, guys, is it okay if I take another 10-15 minutes more? If you are having, anyone is having any work, urgent work, you can leave. I'm done for the class. If you're having any urgent work, you can leave. Right. Now, guys, please check this. Let me just try to have, let me start with a simple project. Store. How many lines this is having? How many lines? Nearly 500 lines. Once again, I'm saying you, this project is not done by me. Student has created this project. I'm just trying to show you the output for this project. Right click, run as Java application, Windows, show, view, console, and this is the data. Okay. Welcome to organic store. Fine. These are the options. Fruits, vegetable. I'll try to, keep this entire output in the Google Classroom. Don't worry. This output, I'll try to keep it. No issues. Okay. Right. Fruits, vegetables, cosmetics, masala powders. Okay. Let us choose fruits. I'm pressing 1. Press enter button. Okay. Mangoes, 1 kg 200. Apple, 1 kg 250, like cost details, and 101, 102, 103 IDs. Product IDs. Okay. Choose your product code. I'm trying to enter the product code as, let me go with like 200. Is 200 present here? Invalid data. So I need to choose the code which is present here only. Okay. Let me just try to go with 101. Press enter. How many kgs do you need? 1 kg costs 200. I want to take 5 kgs. Let me take 5 kgs. Okay. I'm pressing enter button. Do you want to continue? Okay. I want to continue. Press 1. Main menu. I'm getting my main menu once again. Okay. I want to go with cosmetics. Kajal, lipstick, nail polish, face powder, lotion. Let me just try to go with lotion 305. I'm going with some product ID, product code 305. Okay. How many quantities you need? 1. Let me just try to press enter. Okay. Now, do you want to continue or exit? No, enough. Let me just try to exit. I'm pressing 2. I'm pressing 2. Okay. I'm pressing 2. I'm pressing enter button. 3, 2, 1, enter. Enter your name. All right. Kishan. Enter your address. All right. HYD. Enter your contact number. 996655. Not my number. Okay. This is not my number. Okay. I'm pressing enter button. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Pressing enter. Some store name, serial number, quantities, name, price. How many kgs of mangoes I requested? 5. Lotion 1. Okay. And total bill. Actually, here he did a small wrong calculation. It's a bug. It's okay. No problem. But are you understanding the concept here? Okay. Here he's supposed to show complete items, cost. And what I told if the cost is above 1,000 rupees, I told them to give a 5% discount. So discounted amount 52. This is the final bill. And thank you for shopping. You saved some amount, and my address and contact details. And of course, Java is awesome. Come on, how can we miss that? This is one project. This is one project. Now, let me just try to show you some more projects. Some more projects. Okay. Guys, do you have a time? That is good. Okay, now let me just try to go with metro. This is a little bit lengthy project, but it's okay. This is okay. Just simple 1,000 lines of code. Seriously, trust me. I'll not show you the code. I'll not show you the code like student requested not to show. It's okay, no issues. Let me just try to show you the output. Right click and please don't ask me to share this code. It is his hard work. If the student is okay, then I'll try to share it. Okay, now right click, run as Java application. This is okay, Hyderabad Metro. Here what I need to, I forgot. I think I need to enter number of tickets, I guess. Let me enter 2 or else 1. Okay. From where? Uh, Let me go with like, yes, I just want to know from where, like what are my station options? What are my station options? I'm giving yes, press entering button. I mean, press enter button. These are my options. Starting with yes. Okay. I'm going to start from SR Nagar, pressing enter button 2. Again, I'm trying to go with yes. These are my options. Secunderabad. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now just let me try to press enter. One way ticket is 30 rupees. Way, like up and down. Two way is 60 rupees. Which one you want? Just one way is enough. Pressing 1. Okay. Now, one way. Okay. After that, enter this OTP at metro entry. Okay. Starting from SR Nagar, going to Secunderabad West. After that, this is the passenger OTP. And some random time he tried to generate some random time like expires. This ticket expires by today 12 p.m. Guys, I hope you're understanding the concept here. Like that. And that's it. Payment one way. Yes, payment is also done. Amount is 30 rupees. Imagining that we have already done the payment and the payment is done at this time. As simple as this. And after that, that's it. That's it. Do you want to book more OTP tickets or else you can press exit? I'm pressing exit. Done. That's it. Cool. As simple as this. This is one more project. Actually, what happened, this project, he enhanced this project. Starting this much of effective, it's not there. It's a simple project. After that, whenever the concepts is going on, he enhanced this project like this. Okay, this is one project. Okay, now just let me try to go with some more. Let me go with like which one? Okay, let us check this. What is this? Okay. Let us go with this one. Now, how many lines of code is there? How many lines of code is there? 1200 lines of code. Okay, let us check. Guys, once again, these are students just like you. Okay, now just let me try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Welcome to Book My Show. Okay. Popular cities: Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Vijayawada, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata. Just like that. And select your city number. Okay. Let us go with Hyderabad. Hyderabad 1. Select your available date. Only that actually this project is submitted to me on first week of January. So that is the only reason only 7 days are there. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, let us go with any, let me go with like Sunday, that is 1, Jan 1. Okay, pressing enter, recommended movies, Varasudu, Avatar 2, Pathan, Hunt, Valtervire. Okay, some names, right. So please enter movie name. He's clearly mentioning that in small letters. Okay, let me go to like HUNT, Hunt. Press enter button. Okay, please select a language. Which one shall I select? English, I guess. Uh, how to do that? ENGLISH, I guess. English. How many tickets you need to hunt? Let me go to like 2 tickets. I am pressing enter button. I'm pressing enter button. Okay, please enter 2 names for seat booking. Okay, let me go to like question SUJATHA and just let me try to press enter button. PVR, theater name. This is gold block, prime block, classic block. This is a screen. Please enter your block for 2 tickets. Which block? Let me go with like gold. Okay, I guess GOLD, gold. Please enter 2 seats. Use capital letters. Okay, gold. Let me go with like A1 and A2, I guess. Please A1. Oh, I need to press, simultaneously enter A1 and A2. Anyways, no problem. Tickets were successfully booked. These are the names which I have given. And he's asking me more. Welcome to football. Like, if you want to add like any options. Okay, continue. 1. Popcorn, snacks, combos, beverages. Okay, let me go to like item code 1. Popcorn. Okay, tub, salted popcorn, cheese popcorn. Let me go to like 2. I'll be going with 02. Okay, how many you need? 1 enough here. Enough. 1. Cheese popcorn grams, 110 grams, 240. Your email and phone number for sending. Will be used only for sending tickets. Your email. Okay, let me go with like Naresh IT at the rate of gmail.com and mobile number like this. Now, this is my cost. So he's asking me like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Okay, select an option. Okay, I'm going with GPay. This is like a small generation code. It will not scan, don't worry. Nothing will happen. It's just like a random, and for any, it will be coming like this. So your ticket, yes, this is my ticket. English 2D Sunday 1st Jan Inox and booking ID. Booking ID 2 tickets Inox Gold ticket price snacks bill online charges total amount is 605. This is one more simple idea of a project. Enough. I don't want to take more of your time. So guys, this is not a like heavy task. Easily you can do that. First, get an idea what you want to develop. First, get an idea. After that, my better advice, team up. Try to team up. Don't do this project like this kind of project in a single. If you can do it, okay, fine. But my advice, try to team up. And please try to do this project. Your own idea. Literally your own ideas. Show me the project and I'll try to say some modifications in that. So it will be great. And online students, once you have done with our project, once you have done with this, any kind of project, how many years are he completed this project within 10 days? Come on, 1,000 lines of code here. It's not a more. Okay. And one more thing is, guys, listen, all those designs, he got it from Google. Logic, he have written. Designs, he got it from Google. So I'm not saying don't use Google. Use Google. Logic, try to write it by your own. Am I clear with this? So like that, as simple as this. So once you complete your project, please meet me. Show me your project. I'll try to check if there are any like modifications. Obviously, there will be modifications. I'll try to change them. Like I'll let you know what you can do better. And basing on our concept, you can improve your project. And trust me, if you're trying to create a project like that, it will be very helpful for you in your interview. And online students, after completing your project, try to send me that screenshots in Instagram. Once, if I'm impressed, then I'll try to send you my email ID and you can send your project to my email ID. I'll try to verify it. And one best project, I'll try to share it in the Google Classroom. Like it will be useful for all. Of course, if that developer is okay. If you are okay, I'll try to share that project in the Google Classroom. Not right now, till the end of the classes. Is it clear, guys?